Alright, so this is the second project of SCADA in our video tutorials. We are going to monitor and control a paint production. Alright, so this is the plant in which we have three big tanks of red, green and blue. Okay, these are 100% filled all the time. These tanks will drain the paint from these pipes into this measuring tank, measuring tank with three level sensors on that, 0, 1 and 2. These are the digital sensors. Okay, so if the level is low, 0 will be on. If it is medium, sensor 1 will be on. If it is high, sensor 2 will be on. If sensor 0 is off, it means there is no paint in that measuring tank. So we have three tanks for red, green and blue. So based on the level, these tanks are mixed. So it depends upon which recipe you want. You can mix different colors in the mixer. This is the mixer, and you can drain the output from this final drainage pipe. Right now we have a recipe here which says about how you can create different colors. So if it is 1, 4 and 7, so if you see here, 1 means if you have 50% of red, this is 1, this is sensor 1. 4 means 50% of blue, green, and 50% of blue, 7, which means it will give you white color, which when you have equal proportion of RGB, you get white color. If it is 1 and 4, which means 50% of red and 50% of green, no blue paint, there is no color mentioned here. It means you will get a yellow color. All right, so this is how we have to create the recipes. We have to monitor the recipes. Now our PLC is already coded using some sequencer commands and latch unlatch bit and some one shot rising equalizer. This is already coded to get the different recipes. Okay, so if you see here, when I actually when I initiate this logic, what you will see, so initially I have to press the reset once to initiate it. Then I will press, wait, let me go to the auto. This is my PLC's at running mode. All right, and this is the SCADA screen which we have to link to our monitoring processes. So I'll tell you how to tag it. So initially I will start the process by pressing start. So you can see that this color is coming, 50% of red, green and blue. This is being mixed and it will deliver white color. This is the first recipe of white. You'll see the white color is here. Now after white, automatically second loop will start for the next recipe, which will be for this faded blue, 1, 5 and 8. So this is 1, goes to 5, goes to 8. This is the position which detects the number of recipe, the current recipe. All right, now to link that to our SCADA screen, we have to define the tags. Again, you have all the sensors here from sensor 0 to sensor 10. Now these are the two sensors for sensor 9 and sensor 10. This is for low level, this is for high level. Then you have 8 actuators. So we have to make the tags in our HMI SCADA screen, and then you have to link that tags with the PLC screen. All right, so this is the only thing. If you see the SCADA screen here, we have 3 tanks, okay, red, green and blue. Then these are 3 drainage pipes. Now in this screen, what we have done is, you can see we have labeled some ABCD labels here. This A stands for, in the actuator, it's red paint reservoir discharge valve. So this is the discharge valve here. We don't have the symbol factory access, otherwise I could have shown you a valve, a practical symbol of valve here. Then B is red paint measuring tank discharge. So what we have done is, if this valve is on, its state 1 will be red. It will be completely red, showing the paint is getting drained. Okay, similarly this B, if this valve is on, this will be red again. So that I'll show you once I tag this with my ITS VLC data logic. All right, so in the next video we'll see how we can write the tags and link that to our SCADA screen to monitor the whole process of paint production, ITS paint production. All right, if you have any doubt, you can just post me before continuing this video. Thank you. I'll see you in the next video.